Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are to simplify square root of bigger bracket open, more bracket minus 5 raised to the power minus 2, all raised to the power minus 2. This is a question on indices. So, from one of the laws of indices or the properties, a raised to the power minus m is the same as 1 over a raised to the power m. This is what we are going to use. So, we have square root of the bigger bracket. So we have, using this property, 1 over minus 5 raised to the power 2, all raised to the power minus 2. So we are going to have square root of bigger bracket 1 over this one minus 5 squared. We are going to have 25 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, now there are several ways of simplifying this. We can rewrite this and then make it as square root of 25 raised to the power minus 1, all raised to the power minus 2. And from the properties of indices, a raised to the power m, all raised to the power n is the same as a raised to the power m times n. So this can be written as square root of 25 raised to the power minus 1 and then times minus 2. So we have square root of 25 raised to the power minus 1 times minus 2 is positive 2 now. And the square root here we'll take care of. We can write this one as 25 raised to the power 2. Square root is written as 1 raised to the power 1 over 2. So that we have 25 raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2 according to the laws of indices. So this will cancel, then we have 25. Viewers, thank you very much for staying with me throughout this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like the video, just click on the subscribe button for more of this video. Bye.